Hi, welcome to our final project of chatbot and recommendation system. We chose to do a video games chatbot, which gives some informations and also recommends games for the user using the bot. As you can see, we programmed the bot using Node.js, and for the recommendation system part, we used Python. And in order to communicate between both parts, we deployed the Python part on an API on Heroku, so that you can use the bot anytime you want. We did the same with the bot, of course. As you can see, we are on a Heroku app, and we can click here to start talking to the bot, which opens a messenger link. Let's start with some greetings. As you can see, we printed here the debug information, so that's because in Replit you will not be able to see them on the console, because the project is deployed on Heroku. So every information you need will be printed during the conversation. So the bot invites us to ask for some help, so let's do this. So how can you help me? And the bot here suggests 3 ways to use it. I will just start by showing you that the bot cannot recommend me some video games, and that's because I'm a new user, so it doesn't have my user profile. What can you recommend me? So it understands that the intent is recommendation, but we should try to get to know each other a bit more before. So I will fill my user profile by asking for some information. Tell me about Gran Turismo, which is a racing game. And we use always the same pattern, which is displaying the available platforms, displaying an image of the game, and displaying the summary and what the game is about. Let's do the same again for another racing game. Tell me about Formula 1. The same pattern here. Let's use another intent, which is to get the new games. We can use it on any platform we want. So what's new on PC, for example? So it understands I want a new game, it understands the platform, and then gives me the 3 popular recently released games. So here they are. Always the same pattern: platform, image, and summary. Let's have now a look on the recommendation part. So what can you recommend me? And I can, or if I don't want to, I don't do it, but I can specify a platform. So I will just do on PC. So now it understands that I want recommendation on PC, and now what it's doing is it's computing a cosine similarity between thousands and thousands of games and my user profile, which is mainly composed of racing games, as I've asked for Gran Turismo and Formula 1. So here we have Trackmania, which is relevant, racing. Grid is also relevant, and Grid 2. Let's now see if the recommendation system adapts to a change of the user profile. Tell me about, for example, Call of Duty, which is a shooting game. And let's do the same for another shooting game, tell me about Battlefield 1. Great. And now let's ask in a different way, what are suggestions for me, without specifying a platform. Now what it should do is recommend me racing and action, or both if possible, games. You see here it has no platform specified. It should recommend me racing and shooting games, because that's what my user profile is made of. You see it says that it didn't provide a platform, so it provides on various ones. And you can see here that Rage is action, shooting and racing, which is what I want, based on my user profile. So that's all with the video games bot that we implemented. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and thank you for listening.